How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now your home page appears. At the bottom you will find different options. Tap on this reel one icon. Now over here you can see the reels. You can watch reels. Once you are done with watching the reels and you go back, you close your Instagram account and again you open your Instagram app and head towards this reel section and swipe up. You will find recent watched reels. You can see that. You won't be able to find those reels that you have watched a day before or a month ago, but you can find those reels that you have just watched, the recent ones. Likewise, the other way to find reel is like if you have made any interaction with the reels, like you have commented or you have liked those reels, then you can find them. I just commented and liked these reels. Now how to find these reels? For that you will need to head towards this icon given at the bottom right corner, profile icon. Now tap on three horizontal lines given at the top right corner. Select the option of your activity, open it. Now open this option of interactions. Now here you can go to this option of comments and you can find those reels that you have commented. Now go to this option likes. Over here you will be able to find those reels that you have liked. This is how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. This is very simple and quick process. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.